Hey everyone, just cleaning up after the storm here this morning. I pushed all this stuff back yesterday, or last night I guess. So just gonna clean up here this morning, dig the mailbox out, and kind of get stuff ready for tomorrow, I guess. A little heat on, I guess. Well, no. Well, I guess I never really talked too much about it, about my steering in this. I had trouble with it steering. I guess I had some videos there I had to part. I couldn't see anything wrong with it. I was just gonna buy another orbit motor, and I've changed those tires. I put the right size tires in the front so the four-wheel drive was working right, and thing steers perfect now. So what them big tires had to do with it, I have no idea, but just too much resistance, I have no clue. But whatever it was, it's fixed now, so it's working good. Oh, I'm just moving stuff around here. Usually when I do this, it takes me too long. It takes me a couple days till I get everything all moved around. That's the worst of it. Kids are out playing. Brianna. Well, she's starting to feel the heat now. So far, the pusher is working really nice. Not bad for a cheap old pusher. See if I can get her set there the way I want her. Yeah, I handled full width with it there yesterday, and pushed really good. So pretty happy with that. Actually worked a lot nicer than I thought it was gonna. Way better than a blade, I know that. So, a buddy of mine, he got a new one, an HLA one. It's like, I think it's 9 foot. Man, it's heavy though. I wouldn't want it on the front of my tractor. On this one, anyway, he's got a big John Deere, so works good for him. But nice blade though, or a pusher. This one is going to do what I need to do. So that's all I care about. I didn't pay very much for it. Most of it was done in trade, so I like that. Yeah, no, like I say, four-wheel drive's working good in this. Pretty good working machine. Oh, I was out last night. I could get a clip maybe of the 375. I got the old blower on it. I mean old, it's an old snowblower. It's just a single stage blower, but I bought it years ago from an old fella, and just for like widening out my lane, and that's all I really had. I mean, most of the time I'd plow back, and when I couldn't plow back any further, then I'd grab that and blow the lane back, and always worked real good, but you couldn't blow like wet snow with it. It just, like this stuff here was great, but no cab, so I mean you're out in the elements. The last night the wind was pretty good. Got a piece of sod or something there. The wind was pretty good last night, so just the right direction. I never got one bit of snow on me, so which is good. That's what it's meant to do. But I got the skid steer plugged in this morning to dig out the buildings there. So just worked away. Supposed to get a little bit of snow, I guess, Monday night to Sunday, and then rain, I guess, Tuesday. So that's how it goes. just digging some stuff out. I got some square bales there in the barn. I had they come cleaned out a bunch from over along the islands there. They come over and took most of the square bales the other day, and I think I got like 95 left. So I got someone I think is going to take those, and then that's all I'm going to part with here for a bit till we get closer to spring. So yeah, hopefully this summer here is going to be a better crop of hay, more of it, I guess. Hopefully with all the hen manure, it's going to make a big difference. So all you do is look better for the next year, I guess. So I'm going to take this off and plow out the road in case the snow drops down. I may leave that spreading again, but yeah, that's about it. Work away at this. But oh, the old pusher, oh, yeah, look at it. It's a nice old pusher. Couldn't get much money out of it. There's something there. The fella I bought it from, he had 2 of them. He sold one to a guy quite a few years ago. So she takes a pretty good chunk with it, you know. But really, I should put some braces up here. I don't know. I haven't any trouble. She's pretty rugged. You know, they did a decent enough job building it. It's all reinforced here with angle iron and all capped in, but they did twist it. I mean, they caught it on something, but it doesn't affect it any. It still sits down level, and away you go, right? So anyways, just a cheap push for what I paid for it. You couldn't buy a blade, right? So yeah, I'm pretty impressed so far. So that's all that matters. So yeah, we'll